You think she's not interested because of your looks. Wrong. She made her decision about you in the first 7 seconds, and it had nothing to do with your face. While you're worried about your jawline, she's reading signals you don't even know you're sending. 6 ancient primal triggers that separate the men from the boys. Most guys get all 6 wrong. Here's what she's actually judging you on. 1. The tension in your jaw. Your jaw holds your stress, and she can see it. When you're nervous, it tightens. She reads that as weakness, uncertainty, genetic inferiority. It's primal. Tense jaw equals stressed prey. Relaxed jaw equals confident predator. She notices this in milliseconds. Fix it. Drop your tongue to the bottom of your mouth. Let your jaw fall open slightly. Breathe through your nose. 2 seconds. Instant calm, instant presence. That alone can ruin your entire first impression. 2. How you enter a room. Do you shrink or do you own the space? Most guys walk in like they're apologizing for existing. Shoulders hunched, head down, moving fast to disappear. She sees that as low-status energy. Throughout history, high-value men claim territory without saying a word. She's looking for that same energy. Fix it. Pause at the doorway. Take 1 breath. Walk in like you own the place, and you're generous enough to share it. That alone can ruin your entire first impression. 3. Your reaction to silence. Silence terrifies weak men, and she knows it. When conversation dies, do you fill the air with nervous rambling? Or do you sit in it like a king on his throne? Silence is power. Men who can't handle it don't lead, they chase. Fix it. When silence hits, count to 3. Maintain eye contact. Let her feel your presence. If she speaks first, you win. If you speak, do it by choice, not panic. That alone can ruin your entire first impression. 4. Your eye contact pattern. You're doing it backwards. When you talk, you look away. When she talks, you stare. That's submissive behavior. Dominant men hold eye contact when they speak, because they're used to being heard. And when they listen, they're grounded enough to give space. Fix it. 70% eye contact when you're speaking. 50 when she is. And when you look away, never down. Down says shame. Side says strategy. That alone can ruin your entire first impression. 5. Your scent. She's not just seeing you. She's smelling your confidence, or lack of it. Stressed sweat smells different than confident sweat. You can fake your words. You can fake your walk. But your scent? Her brain knows the truth. Prey or predator. Fix it. End your showers with 30 seconds of cold water. It trains your body to stay calm under pressure. Use unscented deodorant. Let your natural chemistry speak. That alone can ruin your entire first impression. 6. How you sit in public. Are you protecting or expanding? Crossed arms, legs squeezed together, hunched over. She sees a man trying to disappear, and that's not the energy she's drawn to. Throughout history, powerful men took space, calmly, confidently. Fix it. Feet shoulder-width apart, arms open, lean back slightly. Don't overdo it, just don't shrink. That alone can ruin your entire first impression. All of this happens before you even say a word. And if you're still making these mistakes, she's already made her decision. But here's the twist. Even if you fix all 6, there's still one thing that kills attraction more than everything else combined. It's the reason she was interested at first and lost feelings later. It's the reason she told you she wasn't ready, but somehow she's ready for him. If you're not ready to hear why she actually lost feelings, don't watch the next video.